greatest gift of Christmas was not wrapped in paper, but wrapped in pause. This December, I'm taking simple holiday moments and showing how they become anchors of peace, anchors of belonging, and anchors of renewal. Before the rush of the season, pause with me and discover the covenant of one. This is a practice to restore joy and presence. Now, December rushes at us with lists, deadlines, and noise. But wisdom says pause is the true gift. Pause is a covenant that restores presence. Pause is the flame that keeps joy alive. We all know the feeling. You're buying gifts while checking email, decorating the tree while worrying about work. You're cooking dinner while scrolling through your phone. You're physically in one place, but your attention is scattered across 5. And here is the wisdom. Distraction is the thief of covenant joy, because joy, peace, and belonging only exist in the present moment. When your attention is fragmented, you lose access to the very reason you love this season. The goal is not to slow down time. The goal is to deepen your experience of it. So how do we reclaim pause? How do we unwrap our attention? Well, with a simple practice I call the rule of 1. So step 1, you declare the action. Before you begin any task, wrapping a gift, writing a card, boiling water for tea, declare it. Say it out loud or in your mind. I'm now going to wrap this gift for Sarah. This declaration is covenant. It tells your mind that this moment is sacred, and all of the worries must wait outside. Step 2, commit to the senses. For the next 5 minutes, anchor your attention to your senses. The sense of sight, the color of the paper, the shine of the ribbon, sound, the crinkle of wrapping paper, the music in the background, and touch, the texture of the bow, the cool melt of the scissors. So every time your mind drifts, and it will drift, gently reaffirm by naming something you can see, hear, or feel. You're training your mind to keep your attention focused, to stay here, to stay covenant present. Now, why is this so crucial in December? Well, because the cumulative effect of these 5-minute pockets of presence defines the spirit of your season. When you fully focus on writing a card, that card becomes covenant. When you fully focus on stirring a pot, that meal becomes belonging. And when you fully focus on hanging an ornament, that act becomes lineage. Now think of attention like a lantern. When its flame is scattered across 5 places, it barely glows. But when you place it entirely in one moment, it shines bright. It illuminates the beauty that was there all along. Because pause is not wasted time, pause is renewal, and pause is covenant clarity. When you pause, you reclaim joy, you restore your belonging. And when you pause, you carry lineage forward. The spinning top taught rhythm. The table of waiting taught anticipation. And now pause teaches renewal. So your 5-minute wisdom action step is simple. The next time you begin any task in the holiday hustle, stop for 5 seconds. Declare the action. Commit your senses. Unwrap your attention. The gift of pause is the gift of presence. It's covenant clarity, and it's the flame that keeps joy alive. Now may your December be marked by pause, and may your lineage carry you forward. And may your belonging be restored, and may your renewal be clear as the first light of tomorrow. So let the gift of pause settle within you. Soon we'll highlight a candle to honor memory and the lineage that guides us. You take care and stay connected.